Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Alamo Colleges District and Colleges website preview event. I'm very pleased to have a part in introducing our new website for the first time to all our interested audiences. I am Mario Muñiz, and here is today's agenda. I'm going to give you a short background on the website project, and then Isidro Medina is going to go a little deeper into a project overview. We're going to give you a sneak preview of the website, which includes viewing the district site, one of the college websites, the new program index app, the news and events functionality, and how mobile responsiveness will work with the new website. Finally, we'll have a closing and we'll ask you to fill out a survey about your experience viewing this website for the first time. First, I'd like to give you some background on some of the reasons why we thought we needed a new website. You may or may not know that the average life of a website is about 4 to 7 years. Our website is at 7 years, so it's kind of a little aged in terms of a web platform. The look and feel of the website is outdated by today's standards, and we just thought it was time to refresh our website. We also want to make the website easier to use and navigate by changing up the layout. We wanted to make our website friendly to people on the move, and by that I mean people that use mobile devices to view content on our website. And finally, technology is ever changing. So there's lots of things and applications that we can incorporate now into our new website that weren't available when we first launched or when we last launched our website. Next, I would like to introduce Isidro Medina to go through a project overview. Isidro?
Hello, everyone. Mario just introduced me. I'm Isidro Medina. I work for the district office in communications. I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about the project overview and how this whole thing started. It began in summer of 2016, and it began with doing discovery sessions with stakeholders at all the colleges to see what their needs were and what they required. Then we looked at the analytics and feedback that we get from Google Analytics, and we also looked at other college websites. In summer 2017, we defined a strategy and contracted with C2 Group for the redesign. And in winter of 2017, the web platform was ready for content migration. So here we are, spring, summer 2018. We're currently doing content migration. We're testing again, testing once more just to make sure. And we're cleaning up anything that didn't need to migrate over from the old website. And coming up soon, we're going to get ready to go live. So with this website redesign, we had some project goals. We wanted to attract prospective students to help with enrollment. We wanted to organize around our programs and the Alamo Institutes. We wanted to provide a platform to showcase diverse colleges. We wanted something that students could use on their phones, on their tablets, so we wanted to make sure that it was mobile friendly. And also, we wanted to make sure that it was ADA compliant. Here was the approach we took. We had representatives from all the colleges work together and work on a cross-college team. And before we preview the website, I wanted to tell you a little bit about some of the benefits that we have on the upcoming website. So as we said, our target audience is prospective students. It's going to be a cohesive design between all the Alamo colleges and the district support. It's going to be a user-centric experience, which means that we try to put things where it makes sense. And it's going to be mobile responsive. And it facilitates the creation of content that achieves the highest 508 and web accessibility standards. So we'll move on now to the website preview. We'll have Rachel Martinez with District IT.
Thank you, Isidro. Hello, everyone. For those of you who are joining us, I am going to do an overview of our district website, and then we're going to move on from there.
Hold on 1 second. Let's have to switch. We're having some technical difficulties. 1 second. Just do this. There we go. All right, I think we got it situated. Thanks for your patience.
Okay, thank you, Isidro. As I was saying, for those of you who are joining us and who have stayed with us during our technical difficulties, we're going to begin now with our overview of the new website. As we see on our district site, this is where the majority of our end users will be going to. We have a large hero photos and background video designed to provide for a strong visual experience. So it's not going to be as stagnant anymore. We're going to have a lot of motion videos as you explore our website. And at the very top, excuse me, mouse issues. At the very top, you will notice that we have all 5 of our district colleges located, with a quick overview of each one as you hover over each button. As you scroll down, there will be some call to action buttons for our prospective students in our community. As you notice at the very top, we will have omnipresent call to action buttons for apply and request more information. So wherever you are on the website, you will see these buttons, apply and request information. That's on all our district sites and all of our colleges sites. As we scroll down more, we'll have some options for students to contact the colleges from the main page to have a conversation, accomplish their goals, begin their career. This is linked to our Career Finder app that we have at the Alamo Colleges District. As you scroll some more, we will have some featured events and calendars located, and then some stats and analytics of the Alma Colleges District as a whole. At the very bottom, you will see our quick links for ACES, Program Finder, for students how to pay for college, how to enroll, for faculty and staff to get more information, and of course, our location of our actual locations. And that would be our main area for district. One added thing, our menu. We do have 5 buckets in our menu. About us for district, our academics, admissions aid, experience the Alma Colleges District, our business and partnerships, and our news and events. So this menu will allow our end users to get wherever they need to go within our district sites. I now want to pass it over to Sean Howard from Northwest Vista. He's actually going to go into a college site to preview that for everyone.
Thank you, Rich. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Howard from Northwest Vista College, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the college menus and how they look on the website. So up at the top, you can find easily the colleges. I'm going to start with going to the Northwest Vista College site. And it's very similar to the district site, but more targeted for those exploring the college. So as you scroll down on the college website, you'll find an area that's about finding program and courses that are available at each college. And there'll be more specific information about the college in the next section. It's got a great place to view photos from the college. And also it's got this menu here that allows future students to get immediately what they need. And also there'll be other targeted audiences here. So current students can look at those menus and find their links here. Also, as you scroll down, you'll notice this is set up very much to help people on a mobile device. So then you'll have this section, which is used for stories about students, and also there will be news available for each college. And as you come down, then you'll have also specific events for the colleges, where each college will be help them engage the college activities. And also I wanted to share with you the introduction of the menu. So in the college menus, each of the colleges are divided into 5 categories to help you find what you need. And also one of the things that's different about this, you have to kind of close this menu. It starts looking like a new web page, but it's actually the menu, and it will be very useful on a mobile device. Also, we have these utility quick links over here on the right. And you'll notice that in each of these 5 areas, you can open with the plus and minus to look at what's in that section. There'll be some categories here. As you click on an item, you'll first get what's in that bucket. To get to the landing page, you click on the heading again, and you'll get to the college page. And the last thing I wanted to share, similar to the old site, is that we'll have menus available on the left and other links down the pages. I'm going to bring this back. And then to get back to your college homepage, you can click on the logo almost anytime you see that. Some other features I wanted to show, if you click on the video, you can have it stop playing if that's necessary. And you can also This button here is to, if you want to see more of the video, you can hide this menu. And also, so back to find your program, I'm going to introduce Dan Melgoza from San Antonio College, and he's going to show us more about the Find Your Program section. Dan?
All right, hi. Like Sean said, my name is Dan Melgoza. I am a webmaster at San Antonio College, and I get to show you some of the exciting new functionality of our new website, starting with the program index. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate up to the college menu and to our San Antonio College website. So here's a sneak preview of our San Antonio College website. We're going to scroll down, and this area right here is called, we titled it the Find Your Passion area, but we also refer to it as the program index. So what this functionality allows you to do is to search and explore career and program options here at Alamo Colleges. So for example, let's say that you are interested in the nursing program. You can simply type in nursing, and then you can click on the search SAC programs. That is going to open up the program finder and show you all the programs that we have at San Antonio College that have to do with nursing. So here's the nursing program already showing, and you can click on it and find out a little bit more about this program. What is the program? About the program accreditations, what you'll learn, the mission even, and down here you'll see the list of degrees and certificates available for each of these programs that are actually linked to the SAC catalog as well to get more information about this program. You also have the contact us information down here, as well as their location and the director or chairperson or maybe even coordinator of the program. You can scroll back. I'm going to scroll back up here, and I'm going to go back to the program finder. Let's say that you may be interested in the drama program. So we can go ahead and type in drama, and notice that in the search results area, drama is going to populate. I'm going to click on drama, and here's some information for the drama program. Again, with our a little bit of information about the program, and then a list of degrees and certificates that links to the MySAC catalog, and then the contact information, as well as an apply button at the top and request information. I'm going to go back real quick. Notice that you can also remove the keywords, and it will go ahead and show you all of the lists that we have so far within SAC. And you can also switch to different colleges as well. So here's programs offered by St. Philip's College, Palo Alto, Northwest Vista, Northeast Lakeview College as well. And you can also filter by degrees and certificates. So that's also nice, as well as pre-majors and continuing education. All right. So I think that's really exciting new tool that we have with this new website. And on top of that, if we go back to the home page, you'll notice that we're also allowed to search by career options as well. So let's say I'm still interested in nursing. I can type in nursing and then explore career options. It's going to take us to the Alamo Institute's webpage, and it's going to load up a bunch of careers that are available in our local area that are related to nursing. So for example, registered nurse. We click on that, and it's going to give us a bunch of dynamically brought in data, such as how many people are currently and locally employed as a registered nurse. That's 20,000, a little bit more than 20,000 in our local area, the demand for the position, as well as the salary range that might help you decide or help our students decide on what career options they should choose. So again, those are the new program index and program finder options that came with our new website. I'm going to go ahead and introduce Leroy Ibarro from Palo Alto College, and he's going to tell us a little bit more.
Hello, everyone. I'm Leroy Ibarro from Palo Alto College, and what I'm going to be doing is going through the news and events section. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Palo Alto College. Okay. From the actual Palo Alto College landing page, we scroll down and we come to the news and event news section. Here, each college has the opportunity to showcase any news article they want to feature. You could actually do up to 10 articles. And they could actually be placed in order, or any order you wish. It doesn't, regardless of the published date. We're going to go see the function of this news article carousel. And if you notice that these news article slides are actually transitioning on their own, and that's via timer. And you can see this little progressive bar at the bottom that actually shows the duration of each slide. And you could actually also use these arrows on the right-hand side to actually scroll through each article. Or you could actually use these little squares at the bottom here. And these actually show the amount of articles that are being featured on the college campus landing page. So if you actually click on one of these articles, the Learn More button, this will actually take you to the detailed page of the article. Let me just go back for a second. So from here, there's a View More Stories, and this will actually take you to the news landing page. Here, you can actually see the list of news articles that have been published from the college, and you can actually sort these by topic by using this drop-down menu in the upper right-hand corner. You can sort them out by student-related articles or alumni days. It's up to you. So that's it for news. We're going to go ahead and tackle events. So let's go back to the home page. We scroll down. Right underneath news is the event section. So the event section actually has two parts. On the right-hand side is the upcoming events. This is showing the list of events that that each college will have, and you could actually navigate these by using these arrows. Right-hand side, and I believe they will show up to 10 events in this section. On the left-hand side is the spotlight events, and this works similar to the news section. Here, the same rules apply. Each college has the opportunity to showcase any news event they want to feature, and you could actually navigate through these event articles by using these little arrows here at the top. And by actually clicking on one of these images, you actually go to the the event detail page. Let's go back here. So let's go ahead and view the events calendar landing page. We click on this button here. Okay, so the calendar events landing page has two visual formats you can use. One is being list view, which displays all the events in the list format. And there's also a grid view, which could actually be changed on the upper right-hand corner here. Let's stick with grid view. So see what happens when you actually click on one of these articles. When you click one, a pop-up will come up. And here, get a nice snippet of the information of this event, time, title, location, and a button that actually take you to that detailed page. You could press the X and it'll actually close this box. Go back, and you could actually navigate through this calendar by using this tool here. It's underneath calendar. Using left and right, this will take you through each month. Okay. And not only that, here on the calendar, you could actually apply some filters. And say you only want to see student-related events, you can actually click students, any alumni events, so on and so forth. You can actually go a step further by actually filtering out colleges as well. So let's say you want to see what's actually happening at SAC, so you can actually press this button here, this drop down, click on SAC, and you can actually see all the events that SAC is showing. And right now you have a link here, and you notice that actually changes the color to SAC's colors to indicate that you are now viewing SAC's events. And you could actually also display all schools and district events by clicking this menu here, and you'll notice all the events displaying for all the colleges, including district. So, and another thing to point out, there's a spotlight events, and this section is similar to the one in the front. Here you could actually display 3 events at a time, and this will stay in the same area regardless of what view you use. Okay, that's about enough. That's about it for news and events. So I'm going to hand it over to Jason from CC.
Thank you, Leroy. Hi, this is Jason Rickman from St. Philip's College. A key advantage to our new website is the fact that it is responsive. It means the website will adjust to any device screen you are viewing the site with. And let me see if I can make a little adjustment here. It's blocked. Can I shrink it? There we go. Yeah. Just like this. You can see as I shrink the screen here that the view will change and adjust somewhat. Let's go back over here. That roughly is the tablet view there. And if I go a little further, you can see how it adjusts to something that's equivalent to the mobile view. It's important to note that when viewing the site with a mobile device, the secondary navigation menu transitions to a drop-down style menu. I'll demonstrate that for you. So now the secondary navigation menu is here. Of course, the main site navigation and search stay intact. You'll also notice, and I'll just scoot this over a little bit here, in the mobile view that a ribbon appears at the bottom of the screen, consisting of buttons you can click to apply, get more information, or schedule a visit to a college. In the mobile view, this ribbon remains consistent throughout the site. And now I'd like to turn it over to the Director of Public Relations at Northeast Lakeview College, Kathleen LaBus.
Hello, my name's Kathleen and I'm representing Northeast Lakeview College here today. And that just about ends the overview of the new website. But before we end our conversation with you guys, I did want to close with a couple of items. First, I wanted to remind everybody that this was a long process and a cross-college and cross-district effort. And I'd like to congratulate the core implementation team for their efforts along the way. You'll see their names listed there. You can see we had representation from the district, from Northeast Lakeview College, from all the colleges, as well as some of the IT folks. And I do want to commend the webmasters for all the work that they have done over the last 6 or 7 months, migrating content from the old website to the new website that you see today. I also wanted to remind everybody that at this point, we are conducting usability testing. So we are, although the processes might be different at each one of the colleges and at district, we are conducting focus groups with all of our various constituents. So students, faculty, and staff have had the opportunity to look at the new website and provide us with some feedback. And we are also asking those of you on the call today to let us know what you thought about what you saw on the website preview. And you can complete the online survey at alamo.edu/new website. And you can fill out the survey, and it will be open through Monday, July 9th. We are targeting a launch date of July 25th for the go live of this new website. So we're looking forward to bringing this information to you as soon as possible. And I'd like to thank everybody for joining us today. Have a happy 4th, and thank you to everybody that was here that also provided some information.